We are pleased to show you the 2021 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, running boards, power mirrors, traction control system, fog lights, navigation system, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power door locks. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.